Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'll show you on how to remove Google accounts from other device. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Chrome. Then after you open up your Google Chrome, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on your profile icon, and then go to manage your Google account. Then go to security. Then you have to simply scroll down right here. Scroll down and make sure you go to manage all devices. And it's going to present you with all the devices you have been used to sign in the last 28 days. Now, if you take note of any unrecognized devices right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the device and it will take you right there. Then click on sign out and you will be removed. And Google is going to remove your account from all other devices that is not being recognized by your device history on your Google account. And you do this to protect your Google account. And always do this once in a while. And you do this to simply protect your Google account from being hacked. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.